The Samsung washing machine error code C4 indicates a problem with the water supply to the machine, which can also be displayed as error code E in some models. This error typically occurs at the beginning of the cycle or just before rinsing, and is triggered when the washer has no water or takes too long to fill. The automatic turn-off feature is activated when this happens. Several common causes contribute to this error code, including closed or partially open water taps, which must be fully open to ensure proper water supply. Additionally, blocked mesh filters, located where the hoses connect to the machine, can cut off the water supply and cause this error. Low water pressure, below the recommended 20 psi, can also lead to this issue. To resolve the problem, it is essential to check that the water taps are open and in good condition, and to inspect the mesh filters for blockages. Cleaning or replacing the filters as needed, and ensuring the water pressure meets the minimum requirement, can help to fix the error. If necessary, a plumber may be required to adjust the water pressure. By following these steps, the Samsung washing machine error code C4 can be addressed and resolved.